Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So, for today's video, we'll be doing something really exciting. I finally got her. Well, I mean, I got her for my birthday. I just mean, like, I can finally open her. In case y'all don't know, this is, Emi Vanda from Rainbow High. She's honestly probably one of my favorite designs from series 3. Her and Cheryl are defs my favorites. And I love how Emi is like the edgy one, or like kind of like the goth one. You can tell with like there's like little elements throughout. We'll take a look at it later. So today's video, we're gonna be opening up Emi Vanda from Rainbow High Series 3. My amazing boyfriend got her for me for my birthday, and we're finally gonna open her up. I'm so excited. Taking a look at her box, it's basically the exact same as like any other Rainbow High box that we've seen before. It's got like the rounded edge here. It just says Rainbow High in big gold letters. You can see everyone that's in the series framing the clear plastic. We've got the YouTube sticker. You can see the doll in her entirety. It says collect the rainbow on the top, and I sure am. We've got the gold framing around the main part of the box, and we've got the gold framing around the boxes that are housing the second outfit. Here it says Series 3 Emi Vanda, and here is her little orchid like color strip thing. On the side, we can see that it says Emi and Visual Arts Focus, and we've got a little paint palette there, and it's like embossed onto the side of the box in gold. And then if we turn the box to the back here, you can see everyone that is in our lineup. I only have 1, 2, and 3 so far. I'm super excited to get the rest of them. Isley, unfortunately, might be my last one. And of course, we've got the normal down there stuff about welcome to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashions and even bolder drama. Do you agree? Alrighty, so that is basically Emi's box here. I am going to debox her. I'm gonna take her out, and we're gonna take a look at everything that she is and that she comes with. Okay? Okay, so I just got her out. Just like every single Rainbow High doll before, we've got the normal Rainbow High doll stand with the new little waist clip. This time we're getting it in like a lighter purple kind of color, kind of match with her orchid theme. And we've also got the new Rainbow High clothing hangers. You know it's the new ones if it says rainbow on like the top hanger thing. And what's really cool is that the skirt slash pant hanger is already assembled. So that's really nice. And what's super interesting is that in the plastic, we actually got a little instruction booklet or a little instruction sheet for something we're gonna take a look at later. First, we're gonna take a look at oh my god, I love her so much already. So I gotta say, taking her out of the packaging was like really easy. Oh, I just realized that I got a little tab still in there. That's okay. Let's take a look at Emi Vanda. As you can see, she does have the normal Series 3 kind of standard face. Not standard, I mean like it's not shiny. So you can see that she does have the paler complexion. She's got the new eyebrows. In terms of her makeup, she's got like this purple gradient eyeshadow on the top of her lid and also her lower lid, or her lower lash line, sorry. She's got these really pretty eyes. Like it's purple and then there's like blue in the middle. I forgot who I was watching, but they were like talking about how when people were complaining that Rainbow High eyes, like we need brown eyes because Rainbow High eyes aren't, like not everyone has blue eyes, but it's like no one has purple eyes. I mean, unless you have like that one disease, but like it's just pretty to look at, okay? It's not Eurocentric. I just think that purple is really exciting. And she's got like this like fuchsia lip. I don't even know if it's called fuchsia. It's like Barney color. And it's cute because you can see her teeth, but like that's like the normal Rainbow High mouth. Oh, there's a little bit of shimmer on her lips too. So that's really pretty. And what's really nice about her eyes is that we've also got a little bit of glitter in her, like, what is it called? The little corner of her eye there. Little extra detail that wasn't needed, but much appreciated. As you can see from her hair, it is very soft. There was no product at all in it. It is like primarily like dark periwinkle I guess purple, and then there's like a hot lighter purple streaks all throughout it, which is really pretty. I think it gives off like this really nice, the vibe of it is very nice, and it's styled so that the front part of her hair is kind of like curled back while everything is like down in the back here. It's very like Pretty Little Liars. I really like it though. I really love her. Like, I really love her. She does have little earring holes, so if you want to put an earring in there, you totally can. She doesn't come with any though. In terms of her outfit, she is wearing, I think it's Moschino inspired, where the purse is like actually printed onto the fabric. It's fully embroidered on. Like, all of this is fully embroidered on, and it carries on all the way until the back too. Like, you can see it's like, it's supposed to look like it's a bag. So that's so cool. A lot of people were like, if they should have just put a real bag there. No, that wasn't the vibe for her. That was not what they were trying to do. And you can see it says rainbow, and we've got little pearls around the hood as well. It's just a normal black hoodie, and we've got a purple like quilted purse that is embroidered on with a gold chain that goes all around. On this side, on her shoulders, we've got these little silver doodads that are kind of just like hanging off of a ribbon, and her elbows are exposed with like a little zipper, like plastic zipper detail. Like, I don't know, that's just the vibe. It is such a nice piece. I really like this. Like, the reason why I loved her so much when I first saw her was because of this. Like, I thought that was so cool that they were doing that. Her hoodie is a drawstring hoodie. Like, you can actually pull these ribbons, but I've seen people pull the ribbons and like the ribbons will come out. So I'm like too scared to do that. We're gonna leave that in. She's wearing a super simple pleated purple dress, or like a plum colored dress. Here, let me, there's a little something there. It's like all hemmed on the bottom, and it's just pleated all the way around. And for her, oh my god, her boots. She's wearing these giant platform rainbow high quilted thigh high boots, and it's actually like tied up at the top. Like, these are actual string that is looped through these little holes that are on the sides here that are actually sculpted to the boot. And yeah, you have to unlace them to get them off, which is totally fine, but that's just like so cool in general. And I always forget to mention, but every Rainbow High series after series 2, they all do come with little manicures. So here's Emi's. It's in that purple color as well. All right, so that is Emi in her first outfit. I'm going to dress her up in her second outfit, and then we're gonna take a closer look at that. All right, everyone, so I finally got her in her second outfit. So the instruction sheet that I was talking about earlier, it's literally an instruction sheet to teach you how to tie her little laces. Rainbow High is doing what most parents couldn't. Sorry, that was kind of dark. Anyway, so here is Emi in her second outfit. I gotta say, upon removing her first outfit's hoodie, I didn't see a lot of staining. Of course, there was staining, so watch out for that. But also, there was a lot of like, you know when you wear like a black hoodie before you wash it? Like right after you buy it, and like there's like that black lint all over you. It was all over her body, and obviously like I was trying to wipe it off, but like it wouldn't go away, so I just ended up like hooing it away. So that is the only thing that I have to say about the black, the staining. There's a little bit of pink staining on her hips as well from her skirt, but as I have said before in past videos, I'm not the one to be too mad about stuff like that, because like that stuff is obviously not stuff that they plan on. That was never intentional, and of course it varies. If that is something that bothers you, watch out for that. So for Emi's second outfit here, you can see that she's like kind of inspired by her first one. She's got a little hoodie on and a little skirt and some really cool shoes. These are the laces that the instruction are telling us about. They're really cool. Let's start from the bottom top. She's wearing these platform stilettos, and both of her heels have an R and an H on it, which is super nice. We've got a light like lilac color toe cap, and we have like actual ribbons going up her foot here, and it's like ribbons that you actually need to tie as the instructions tell us. It wasn't very hard. Obviously you can tie them up however you want. I wanted to do them up like super crazy, So that's what I did here. Of course, the socks are separate and they've got like black crescent moons on it, which is super goth of her. I love that. She's wearing this really cool denim mini skirt, or it's supposed to look like denim, and it's black, and you can see like there's still all of the stitching all over it. And we've got the same doodads that are on the shoulders of her hoodie. They're on her belt loop now, and we've got like 2 little suspenders going around her body. They are supposed to hang down. I see a lot of people putting it up. You totally can't, but they're supposed to be down. That's why they're so long. For her top, she's wearing this like skin tight long sleeve top underneath, and it just says rainbow all over it. And this is actually a separate piece from the hoodie, so you can wear these separately as well. And for the hoodie, it's like a lilac purple or like a lavender kind of purple. It says rainbow over the chest in black letters, and it's embroidered onto the actual hoodie, so that's super cool. And just like her other hoodie, this one is velcroed in the back as well. I love the print that is on the undershirt. I think that's so nice. It's like so, like it's such a pop of color in like such a weird way. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my gosh, she's genuinely like so pretty, and like she like gets me. She's like my type of girl. She kind of dresses like me. Alrighty everyone, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and let me know what you guys think of Emi. Isn't she so cute? I'm sorry, I just gotta like get back to her. I love her little face mold. I really recommend her to like complete your collection. Like I just think that she's like amazing, and she's just like so perfect. She'll look so good on the shelf. She'll look so good with her purple girls around her. Let me know if you guys are going to pick her up yourself, and I want to let you I want to know. I want to know it all. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Hit me up on Instagram at Atlantix.jpg. Hit me up on TikTok at Atlantix.mov. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.